Okay, here she is in all her naked glory. And I've finally got some new spark plugs. So the NGK, and I had to order them online because none of the bloody bike shops had them. Not even BMW. Can you believe that? Anyway, saved myself about 20 bucks by getting them off eBay anyway. K&N air filter all cleaned and oiled up. That's about to go in. Got the snorkel, cleaned that out, and I'll warm it up, do the valve clearance check on it, and see how that goes, and hopefully, a bit of luck, that might fix things. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Alright, K&N air filter is back in, snorkel's back on. Time to put the spark plugs in, give her a run. Hopefully it all runs good. Let's give this a shot, hey? So we've just changed the spark plugs, put some new NGK iridiums in the GS, and hopefully that might fix the problem. I'm very hopeful, but I'm not convinced, so let's just see what happens. And after all, you read all the comments on forums and things like that about this problem, doesn't seem to be the spark plugs that actually solve the problem, so. Not convinced, but let's give it a go. Let's see how we go. Yeah, I had a lot of trouble trying to find some spark plugs for this thing. No, still got the problem. Oh, that's a pity. I knew that would be the issue. So we're looking at coils, I think. Bugger. So it looks like we've got a problem with the ignition coil. Bugger. Which one? We've got 4 there. Alright, second fail. So it ain't spark plugs. There you go. There we are, new ignition coil. So we've got 4 of those. Let's hope that solves the problem there. Alright, quick update on the GS. So, unsuccessfully, I replaced the spark plugs and we still had the same problem. So, we're still missing. So anyway, I bit the bullet. I bought 4 new ignition coils. You can see one of them there. So we've got secondary ones, primary coils behind these covers, both sides. So yeah, we'll give it a test ride and we'll see if that's improved the bike. Let's go. Alright, I think maybe it sounds a bit better already. We'll see. Oh yeah, she goes. Yeah, I reckon that's fixed. There's no hesitation there, and lots of power off the bottom end. So before it was about quarter throttle that it was giving me the issue, and yeah, I reckon she's good. Get it out on the highway and see, hey? Yeah, she's good. Back to her old self. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.